she never did it. Met this bitch and she's a cutie, biggest titch with a called booty. Asked her to go to the movies, pay your way cause that's your duty. But this hoe just wants to fizz up. Guess I got me some good at Lizza. On the way back to my hizzo, she gave me the fire disser. But I'm not the one to be dating or the type of love and kick it. After I get in them guts, I'm ducking calls and instantly shaking. Shake you bitches off my jizz. I till your calls have finally stizz up. All I want this is the beginning, this to see your panties drizz out. Oochie, oochie, you're a hoochie. On first they gave up the coochie. Never will be sticking around or going down cause you're too oogly. I can always get more better. Sweat these tricks right out they sweaters. Let me see your kitty cat. Now make up her and then I'll hit her. Want some money, do not bother. Go home bitch and ask your father. I just want your mouth around my dick, your lips, your tongue and slobber. Sorry, I ain't trying to be crude. Maybe came off a bit too rude. Just wanna see
Morning, good morning. That's what I'm talking about. Bombo clap. That's what I'm talking about. Listen, just waking up. Not gonna lie, I was thinking about, you know, at least shaving some profit last night. I wanted to shave off some profit. And the plan was let me get my coffee. I'll be right back. Let me get my coffee. We'll talk about it in a second. All right. Yeah, man, I was gonna shave some off, and listen, I don't even know if did the CPI numbers come out today. The plan was to potentially sell on the pre-pump, on the CPI pre-pump. That did not happen because my ass fell asleep. I mean, I straight fell asleep. So here we are. Fed talking to the CPI on Friday is the story. Okay, all right. So never mind then. Shows you how much I know. What's up, UK? What's up? Man, I love you guys. You guys are the coolest. Thursday morning, is that tomorrow? That could be tomorrow. Hold up. I'll be right back.
Hello, this is a prepaid collect call from...
In the days
cool. The man was a damn fool, really went to school, but the streets racist nigga in the streets never lose.
Man, what day is it today? My lord, what day is it? It's Tuesday. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the? Oh my god. So I'm trying not to curse anymore. Tuesday. Damn. Did that shit recover? Oh my god. Wait. I thought this retraced. Whatever, who gives a fuck? Whatever, some shit coin did good, who cares? I did, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Glad you knocked that out. Oh yeah. When did we look at that Binance token? Fuck it. And what time frame were we looking at? This is still looking good. What is going on here? It had to be the 12 hour. Tell me the 12 hour didn't have something to do with that Binance token. Look at that. Oh man. Yeah. Gold almost at 1900 again. Dixie 103. Damn. Okay, so this hasn't broken through yet. We're up 90K. Let's go, baby. Almost halfway. Almost halfway. Unrealized, of course, we're at 575,000 with the 100,000 to $1 million challenge. 130,000, $1 million challenge.
Maybe two,
Monero, let's go. Monero. Monero. I am, I mean, I guess I'm biased right now, and, you know, I am not a hodler by any means. Did not hold shit coins or crypto down from a 90% fall, but if I was doing it, Monero.
I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for all the ones that was right there for me. I'm grateful for the ups. I'm grateful for the downs. I'm grateful. Only way to go is up when your ass on the ground. I woke up this morning, one more chance to be a better me. I am not behind bars, I ain't got a copper plate. Clean water I can drink, fresh food I can eat, clean clothes I can wear, lavish kicks on my feet, money all around me, I can make it, it ain't nothing to me. Grateful for the internet, for all these opportunities. If you real, you can relate. If you fake, you gon' hate. Stop all that complaining you been doing, man, and go be great. Time is ticking, don't you wait. Make a move, checkmate. Don't worry about past mistakes. Keep on grinding, shaking bait. Grateful for the crypto, yeah, I hodl, but I hate to wait. Coins in my wallet, cash them out on a later date. Grateful for the ones that show me love, I appreciate. Each and every one of you inspire me to create. I don't take for granted nothing no more, but I used to. Had to learn the hard way, just wanna show my gratitude. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for all the ones that was right there for me. I'm grateful for the ups. I'm grateful for the downs. I'm grateful. Only way to go is up when your ass on the ground. Yeah, man. Sometimes
Fuck.
it's easy
Was I on mute that whole time?
rather than what we do have.
What I was saying was,
Important to take time out and remember all the things to be thankful for.
the
That
30-minute.
take for granted.
I see what you're trying to say.
Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life.
If this was a 4-hour or a 6-hour or higher time frame, right now, this 30-minute, yeah, that doesn't look good. But
Chaos to order.
you know, when I'm comparing it to on higher time frames, you know,
It can even turn a meal into a feast. A house
I think the higher time frames would show it a little bit more. So I wouldn't be surprised if there was a little break maybe, but I'm not. I wouldn't be really tripping about that. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Trying to hit a lick. I be on a mission every day. Looking for them low cap gems. I be on Coin Market Cap, Coin Gecko. I'm just trying to hit a lick. I be on Dex Tools. I'm just trying to get this money. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. Still do the shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. I'm just trying to hit
I gotta take a little trip to the little boy's room. I'll be right back.
I'm in love with these coins, Juliet and Romeo. Market going up and down, kinda like elliptical. When it gets critical, I get analytical. Bear market got me sweating like I'm doing cardio. Crypto face make them trades till he can't no more. Big bad FOMO kicked in like a dojo. By now or never, YOLO. Feeling like the crypto Pablo. Scared man don't make no money, shit, you know the motto.
Missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. I'm just trying to hit her.
Been buying this crypto like ain't no tomorrow. Cause I do not want to beg, still a borrow. Borrow. I am so bullish like I'm from Chicago. Took all my money up out of where's Fargo. Then I invested in crypto, yeah, I took a chance. Fuck rockin' Gucci, I got on some Vans. Baby in crypto, how about it? Advance. Peer-to-peer transaction, no middleman. Copy the address and check either scan. Later in crypto, you know what I'm saying. Went up on Sandbox and bought me some land. Early retirement, yeah, that's the plan. Monkey Cypher, yeah, that's the brand. Watch what you say in the chat or get banned. Hold it on tight, yeah, I got diamond hands. Didn't want to miss out, so I FOMO'd again. Said I wouldn't do it, but I got put in. Spit me a mega verse up in this metaverse. Killing these tracks, had to put them up in the hearse. Dress them up nicely and put them up in the dirt. I had to get to work. Learn about crypto cause man it's the future. Took my position just like Kama Sutra. No taking days off, I'm not Ferris Bueller. Learn from the best crypto faces, my tutor. The code is to do it, watch how he maneuver. In and out quickly like an intruder. Caressing my ledger just like a seducer.
Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick. I'm just trying to hit a lick. I'm just trying to hit a lick.
Told y'all looks can be deceiving.
Even if it's in the green, it could be a bull trap. Looked at market cipher just to see where the money at. Green dot on the 30-minute just to be exact. Phone on do not disturb, making sure it don't distract. I'm a firm believer in Bitcoin to 100 racks. If you doubting that it's going, then faith is what you lack. Green candles going up, looking like it's finna crack. Eating gourmet meals, but I still love my snack. Consolidation, man, patiently waiting for a signal, hoping that Bitcoin shoot off like a missile. Chewing silly siping, man, while I'm gripping quartz crystal. Yeah, the SEC fickle, but I still got faith in Ripple. Stop crying, keep trying, cause you running out of tissue. If the whip still crank, then the starter ain't the issue. If you try hard enough, then ain't no fucking with you. All them hours you put in, now the money flowing to you. It's already yours, you was destined to be great. Cause your heart full of love, you don't entertain the hate. Karma good to you, cause you make sure your people straight. Money coming full circle, pockets looking overweight. I know you resonate, you don't hesitate to get the guap. Yeah, I still ride Chevy and these blades still char. Amazon make me lazy, but I still go out and shop. If I to it, don't distract, don't distract, don't distract, don't distract. Bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap.
Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money.
Alrighty, everyone's fed. I had to feed the doggy, had to handle my own damn self. How's everybody doing?
Money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't.
Not gonna lie, for just joining us, was looking at shaving some profits yesterday. Last night. And but I didn't. Fell asleep.
Make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. A scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. A scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day. Live to make another play. Patience is a virtue. Finna cash out any day.
Man, this thing has this got some curvature. This has some very healthy curvature to it. This looks like, dare I say it, but this looks like some good stuff. Not gonna lie.
Connected to the ceiling. Now I park my cars in valet. Move, bitch, get out the way. Charging that shit like a bull. Call me Scotty Pippen, cause he pips, they keep my wallet full. Bank account on overflow. Now I'm down in Tokyo. Me and flopping Groper stung the market like a scorpion.
Is that what the captions say?
Rodeo. Feel like I hit the lottery.
Steve money don't make no money.
Already making history. Yep, you gon' remember me from trading pairs perfectly. My faith in market cipher B. Double
Not
up
the
the
official video.
You trade nervously, adding to your misery. Go and take some notes. Better yet, why don't you follow me? Stay tuned, I'ma let you see how I rake these millies in. Save this video and make a playlist, call it Bullets Trends. Scared money don't make no money. Scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make
That
no
boy,
money. You ain't got
that boy scared.
shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. A scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. A scared man don't make no money. That's the way the game go. Gotta make investments if you wanna see your money grow. Scared man don't make no money. Go on and put that money up. Invest it in yourself. Now you got your own checks and stubs. Scared man don't make no money. Signed up a market cipher, lifetime membership. Now you at the dealership. Pulled off the lot in a futuristic spaceship. Paid it off immediately. That's what I call ownership. Scared to lose a stack, you might never make it back. Law of attraction, what you think is what you gonna track. All at a casino, scared gambling. Now you just got cracked. Can't go home broke. Heard you told your girl you got jacked. Butterflies in your stomach every time you wanna spin. Half scared, half courageous, man, the two don't.
I may have just stumbled on an old, what is this? An old gem.
Bitcoin fund manager, also known as Crypto Face. Go ahead and type into your internet browser, if you could see it here, www.shittokens.com. You can't see it right here. Let's see if we can. www.shittokens.com. Go ahead, type it in. Change your life. Also, go into the description and like and subscribe to the Crypto Face channel. If you have, under 10 Bitcoin, I got you covered. And so let's go ahead and take a start. We're going to start with Bitcoin. Wow, there's things happening there's patterns going on that people have never seen before. But I'll tell you, the word of the day is Fibonacci. Fibonacci, and we're not just talking about the Fibonacci starting at the top of the trend. We're marking this because it's the top of the trend, coming down to the bottom. We're not just talking about shorting at levels at the 61.8 and the 78.6. We're talking about pattern Fibonacci. So I'm about to blow you away, literally. So, okay, check this out.
This is a satire video for those of you who don't know. This was this was the Bitcoin Fun. Does anybody remember that? You remember the Bitcoin Fund managers? This is some good ass satire right here.
Two humps right here. Two humps. We come up into a little pump, a little bit of jagged, and then we have this pattern, the little blue line. This would be a come in. We have a plan, and we're gonna knock it out of the park. Knock out of the park. So you see again here. So we have two
I'm pretty
humps.
sure the
We come
pen
up in
changes
here,
into like a teddy bear or something.
measles down. Then when you see it get rock and go flat, pop, it pops up. Now there's something about this pattern that I want to tell you guys. And check this out too. We have a scoop here too. We have a scoop. If you've been following my channel, we even mentioned a scoop. I believe 2 or 3 weeks ago we had scoops. US being the Talladega coin, and it's a Talladega coin because when it goes down for a long time. When it goes up for a long time. And there's another coin. Wake up. So really, there's been a long. We have these lines are all at temporary parts of support. There is no such thing as support. In a market like this, there's no such thing as support. There's only resistance. Okay. And so, if we come up to this point, I'm looking. I have shorts maybe scattered around here. I just feel like if we're getting up into the 150s,
Oh my god, dude.
in the
Oh
150s
my god.
to 140s, that's just a little psychologically. It's a
Oh
little
my god.
more value.
Oh, I'm sorry I had to do that to you guys. But that shit just popped up on a search I was looking for. Damn.
Don't blend, all or nothing, pick a side. Let your heart be your guide. Heard you was indecisive, need to learn to decide. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make
We might have to bring that back, dude. We might have to bring that segment back. The old Bitcoin Fund manager. Man.
put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Get paid.
We might have to bring that back. I'm pretty sure that was a puppy Sid toy. That video was from 4 years ago. That's when Sid was a puppy. Gonna be on Frankie Candles February 2nd. I sure hope so. Keep reminding me so I make sure I get my ass to sleep before then, so I can be there.
People don't cherish good people. They try to use them.
I don't want to fall asleep. I don't want to not make Frankie Candles. That's my dude. Can't believe you guys are having me look this shit up, but yeah, I mean, unless even if we were at the bottom of the market, price action still retraces, but that's a fucking pump. Ain't no question about it. Ain't no doubt about it. That is a shit coin pump of so good. You know, I don't know anyone, and I never heard of it before. You know, how's old Bed Bath and Shitter Beyond doing, man?
Keep me guarded, and love it conquers all, so don't be callous hearted. People come and go, had to let you know how I really feel. Tell you what's the deal, probably would've killed for you. Self-preservation, that's the first rule. Love overrule all hate, a cap I would appeal for you. Yeah, that's the moral of the story, man. Always been 100, earn my stripes like a candy cane. Never switching lanes, real loyal like the Lion King, a man of my word. I really hate
Ripple chart still ugly. I mean, although, you know, there might be a little something here actually with the money flow. The RSIs are high up. I'll give it that. Congratulations to the shitter Cardano people. If you're a Cardano fan, I'm happy for you. I lowered my noise gate, so is my microphone still like slightly cutting in when I speak, or did it stop? I sound like Morgan Freeman. From time to time, it takes pressure and time. Pressure, time. When you're beating that pussy up, it takes pressure, time. Pressure, time.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink 'em like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it blues clue. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified.
Testing 1 2 1 2 testing.
Did you almost die? All good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. Where the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God, what the fuck happened? Bitcoin dumping in my sleep. Woke up to a market sweep. That's the reason I don't sleep. Keep my eyes on the prize. Bought some Hex and Cardano. Fear of missing out. FOMO, that's a no-no. Yeah, I know, bro, but I still do the shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick, so I think I just might buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. Don't trip, buy the dip, buy the dip.
Spider line ahead. So glad you brought that up. Let's take a look. It's kind of, we've been in a zone, I feel like, where we're in between. Let's take a look.
The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix, flying high in the sky, and I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house, I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together, talk about financial freedom. BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. Three-way. Blockchain tokens got your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift from God. All praises to the Most High. Help me beat the odds, playing smart, so I don't get wrecked like
We'll try the non-log.
Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. It ain't over for me. 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 It ain't over for me.
Whatever you add to I am, you become. Whatever you add to I am is added unto you. Did you get it? I'm going to have you repeat it after me. I am is God.
I am healthy, I am true, I am confident, I am smart, I am rich, I am courageous.
Oh, damn it.
These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations.
This chart's doing that shit again. Anyways, I guess you could say 17.6, 17.7. This chart's doing this shit where it messes it up when I change time for. Oh, hold on now. Is this what you're talking about? Oh, there's 4 ways to do spider lines. So. Hey.
I'm over it. I am supreme with a dream, Martin Luther King. I am a king, you's a queen. Don't forget to grab your crown, and if you know some affirmations, don't.
I'll take the magnet off when you move the chart. Gotcha.
I am true, I am confident, I am smart, I am rich, I am courageous, I am strong, I got heart. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations.
Damn, bro, you just like solved a fucking multi-year issue I've had.
I am terrific, I am light, I am grateful, I am alive, I am gifted. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. Tell me your affirmations. These are my affirmations. I don't need confirmation. I'm manifesting all my dreams with my conversation. This just a demonstration. On the way that I do it, some people think it.
Damn, bro, genius. Thank you for that.
That brings money to you. Here it is. I am money.
I am healthy, I am true, I am confident, I am smart, I am rich, I am courageous, I am strong, I got heart. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations. I am free, I am focused, I am love, I am terrific.
You know, Connor,
I am grateful, I am
yes and no.
I am gifted. These are my affirmations. These are my affirmations.
Yes and no. When we're talking about big swinging leverage trading, certainly not lately. Not for a while. In my early days, you know, the early bot trading days, even my bots don't really trade shit coins anymore. But my early days I did, and there were times where we were leveraging a couple shit coins, but no super shit coins. It's just too volatile. Whatever happened to that amp token you crushed? Let's take a look. Oh wow, even this shit token. Someone probably bought about $1,000 worth of it. This is probably about $1,000 worth of volume right here. This poor token. Stay away from this shit. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. But again, look at that curvature. I'm telling you, it's the same thing everywhere. I'm seeing nice curvature, and that's important. Curvature is important.
Propaganda, yeah, I seen it from a mile away. God got us, everything gonna be okay. What's bigger than the whale? Fuck that shit, I ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael. Heard it being hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn man, what the
Adil Hussein, yes. We're going through a whole brand remake of the website. It's actually like going into coding right now. I pretty much have it like what we want done, and yes, there will be new tutorials. They definitely need freshening up.
Been staking these coins. Pancake swap all coins making noise. MetaMask on the ass. Ethereum gotta pay for the gas. Bad little hottie with a whole lot of class. Caught my attention when she didn't have a mask. Non-fungible tokens, almighty NFTs. Getting to the money on OpenSea. I'm just trying to be all I can be. Full metal jacket with a Shiba on me. Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hodling. Getting to the money, no time for the gossiping. Hated that job.
He said full metal jacket with the Shiba on me.
I ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell.
Hang on, let's run that back.
Ain't going back to jail. Full metal jacket with a Shiba on me. Full metal jacket with a Shiba on me.
Oh, the Shiba Army.
Full metal jacket with a Shiba on me.
Yeah.
Hustling every day I'm hodling. Getting to the money, no time for the gossiping. Hated that job when I was telemarketing. What's bigger than the whale? Fuck that shit, I ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael. Heard it being hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn man, what the hell? What's bigger than the whale? Fuck that shit, I ain't going back to jail. Been about my paper, I know that you can tell. Trying to figure out which coins I'ma sell. Hypnotized man, crypto got me in a spell. I don't smoke weed, but I still like to smell. Weed hella green, Ninja Turtle Raphael.
We can look at Solano. You know, a lot of people were saying Solano was dead, but I'd have to disagree. Because Solano wasn't just FTX. I mean, I think they're two separate things, but I guess FTX bought a bunch of Solano or some shit. I don't know. All I know is there was a lot of shit in Solano. So, I don't think Solano's dead. This ain't gonna be a long stream. We probably will shut her down in like 30, 40 minutes.
You don't know what you're missing, but now you know. You're missing life-changing opportunity, confidence, vision.
I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. I came a long way from nothing, now I'm paddle shifter clutching. Hit the gas on a popo, disappear.
to take it to the track. I remember that apartment, I ain't never going back. I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma say a high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I got about 500 computers in the undisclosed location. Wanna learn how to trade? Join the Crypto Face Foundation. I'm just mining all these coins while I'm minding my own business. All this money that I'm making is gonna be a Merry Christmas. All this power that I'm pushing, I'm just trying to drain the swamp.
All this money I've been making is gonna be a Merry Christmas.
Antarctica, push button starter car. 300 pips in the green, call me Spartacus. Can't see my face mask on, I'm anonymous. Legally robbing banks, you can keep the
Wow, I think it's going to 18K. Man, you know, I've had my doubts along the way, but we're pretty close. Shit, we're at 17.5 almost. We started at 16.8, you know. It ain't that far away. It ain't that far away, but we do have a little spider line here, but you know, I don't think it's out of the question. I don't think it's out of the question. But in these bear times, we do want to undershoot our goals. You know? If you think it's going to go to whatever figure, typically it falls short, you know?
Success, prosperity, and money and wealth, you will reject that away from yourself.
Well, the CPI shit's always going to be bearish right now. Like, it's not, yeah, I don't know. That kind of, it's the price will go down. Whether it's for a short time or a long time, I don't know. CPI, the numbers always go down. The number might go, the price might go up before it, but it always goes down.
I want my motherfucking money.
All I know is I put my money where my mouth is.
You can call me Crypto Face. I just copped another foreign. Hell no, it wasn't cheap. Cause I'm talking up a Ferrari.
And to be honest, I mean, shit, 91,000, 100K is 100K. Maybe I should just take that shit, you know? I've gotten myself into trouble when I've yearned for big, you know, when I was like, oh, I'm gonna try to make $1 million on this trade or $2 million on this trade. Whenever I purposefully tried to hit a certain number of profit, 9 out of 10 times it didn't work out.
Same old shit on my desktop when I'm chilling in my castle. Got an all white dog swimming pool. God, I'm thankful. Money like casinos keep on coming.
Let it ride, lol.
I be spitting the truth, man. All the haters do is ramble. Rari souped up like it's Campbell. Crypto Face the YouTube channel. We gon' ball every year. Probably something you can't handle. Use a hater, I can tell. But I really wish you well. Keep on hating, you're gonna fail. But if you don't, you gon' excel.
Made a whole lot of money in my sleep. I can show you exactly how I eat. Tune in, you want store for a treat. I can show you how to
Yeah, you know, this has been playing out pretty damn good, I must say. This is, I'm a little proud of myself. I'm a little proud of myself so far. But it could all change very quickly. It could change very quickly. This could change very quickly. Oh my god, yeah, I keep seeing you guys talk about this. What is this? This doesn't even exist, this scammy ass shit. Oh my god, this looks terrible. Why are you guys talking about this? This looks terrible. This is like the only thing that hasn't gone up today. My lord. We've seen these have breakdown candles a million times, but, you know, like I said, the higher time frames are just thick. I mean, listen, when we are in the green, if you're in the long, if you got in and we're in the green, like, you know, the profits should be taken. You don't want to end up like Kathy Wood. You know, Kathy should have sold some. Maybe she did. Josie Farewell, can you dump BDC? Yeah, bro. Nah. I've provided liquidity for my people before. Yes, I saw those photos. Alright, let's do some serious thinking here, folks. Some serious analysis. Let's just do it from the top. Let me grab my other. Let me grab my coffee. All right. So, folks, listen, we got to ask ourselves a serious question right here. Because, you know, this is serious money, man. This is serious shit. As much as we like to have a good time, you know? We're going to do a poll, people. Let's do a fucking poll. Let's do a poll. If I can engage with your audience. Answer viewers, start a poll. Ask a question. Optional. You know, I'm just going to do a poll and leave it blank. Ask a question. What should we do? Okay. We're doing the poll. Stay in 100%, sell it all, sell a little bit in technically it's Tuesday. Y'all said the CPI's on Friday or Thursday. We got to look at some hard TA here first. We have still on the 3-day, a increasing dual band strength index. We have a 17 to a 16. We are halfway through the candle. Nice -5s here. On the 2-day, slightly beginning to weaken. Candle slightly beginning to weaken on the Heiken Ash. think the spider line might actually be a little resistance on the daily. Yeah. Yeah. 12 hour, huh? Hmm. Look at the weekly and tell me you're bullish. I mean the weekly, you know. Oh, we have a little bit of we have our first little increase here on the money flow. There you go. It's just MC, bro. MC's everything I need. Huh. Hmm. RSIs are high, nice and tight together. You know what we say about after once they cross red up here, and it's after like an inch. Man, this thing still has room. Maybe tough call. Tough call. I think we're probably gonna kind of chill here at least for another day, maybe leading into tomorrow. Tomorrow might be a day where we're looking for more of the upside. Two-hour VWAP wave is coming down, but it is slightly inversed, inward curved, which is bullish, as opposed to if it was outward curved, that would be bearish. Slight little indent. Not doing no trailing stop loss. I'm not trying to get targeted. Well, listen, bro. I don't want to hear nothing about on-chain analytics because on-chain said nothing about no dump. It's been saying the same thing all the time, which is whales are accumulating. They were saying that 30K was the bottom, that 40K was the bottom, that 20K was the bottom. On-chain is not a believer. I'm just not a believer. Could be wrong, but I ain't no believer. Maybe just the people reading the on-chain data. Look at the data. Maybe they're the ones that are wrong. Oh, I don't know why I would look at on-chain when I could just look at the charts, follow the money. All the on-chain guys were talking about Bitcoin at 200, 300,000 last year. What's up, Billy? Let's take a look at the poll results. The results are in. There's still a couple votes trickling in, but the majority of you are saying to sell some. 43% say sell some. 32% say stay in. And 26% say that you are the father. Trim 23 BTC. How much is 23? $400,000. That would still keep us above the $2 million mark. Smart money selling. Yeah. You can say that again. Smart money's been selling since 64, 69,000. Selling may walk away, still held spread. Bro, I tell you, isn't it crazy? In 2020, the price was like 8,000. And your boy said, April, May 2022, 40, 45K. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. Isn't that shit crazy? Billy, what are you thinking? Well, the polls have adjusted. We now have only 41% are saying sell some. 34% are saying stay in all the way. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Let's pull in Billy, and we'll go ahead and pull in Evan Aldo. I want to see what they're thinking with the charts, and then we're gonna pretty much call it a stream after that. Is this working? I'm calling you guys on Discord, I think.
Hey, what's up?
Yo.
Say, let me mute the main thing. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Cool.
Let me turn. Let's try to get Billy. Are you able to join us too, Billy?
Am I live?
Yes. Yes, you're live.
Oh.
No,
what's
we
up, guys?
stopped the stream. So bro, I don't know how to mute something on the stream and multitask, bro. I don't know how to do all that shit.
Yeah, no, it's been a long day. I was out in the sun mostly. I'm in Puerto Vallarta right now.
Oh, what you doing out there?
Just chilling, It's nice out here. Beautiful time of year.
It is nice out there. Billy, how you doing, buddy?
Doing good, bro. I'm at Arby's with Papa Casper.
Right on, bro. Oh, you're with Papa Casper, dude? Hell yeah. Dude. Well, salute, sir. We appreciate your service for bringing little Billy into the world. You know what I'm saying?
It was a lot of fun in front of that fireplace.
Hell yeah, dude. Awesome. Well, I don't know if you'll be able to share charts or anything. I just wanted to pull you guys in. I'm gonna be wrapping up the stream here soon, and then yeah. So Evan, are you at your computer, bro? You guys are on like vacation at Arby's and stuff. All you guys, Evan.
No, I'm at my computer. I got I have a portable monitor that I bring with me and a laptop stand and a mouse and keyboard. I actually have a pretty good portable setup.
All right. Well, do you think you have an insight to share on what you think the price action in the
Yeah, man. I'll show you. I got a couple of things to show you. Let's see. You want me to share my screen right now?
Yes.
Let's see here. Let's find it. Okay. All right. So you should be able to see it.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me make sure all the people okay, let me man, I need to go full screen. Okay, I guess this is gonna be show no. Alright, whatever. This is good enough. I'm pretty sure everyone can hear you okay, so let it rip, bro.
Yeah, I see. So all right, guys. So what I'm looking at right here is the money flow coming out in the 15-minute. You got a 15-minute, bearish dip happening, and we're at the market cipher SR point, which is pretty significant. About 17.5 we got up to 17.504. So I'm not saying this is your local top, but what I will say is if you look here, I mean, where was it? Oh, on ETH it was actually though. Let me just show you ETH real quick. So ETH is actually even more bearish with the money flow coming out, a little trigger wave on the 30 minutes. So I'm not saying this is your local top here, but right here, I mean, this is a significant area, 13.52. So I'd say a scalp short, scalp to day short would have a pretty high probability of doing somewhat well here. And you could also, I mean, look at the pattern here in terms of that money flow in the 15-minute, that bearish dip that brought us down significantly. So yeah, I think you might almost be there. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me. You got the inflation report coming out Thursday. It wouldn't surprise me if we pump up more to this higher area. over here or this fib level. This is huge.
Before the announcement?
Maybe after,
Really?
it depends. Maybe after the announcement. I mean, we could be we've been moving a lot. We could get choppy, man. We could just be boring until the CPI report. We could be just doing nothing. An area like here, we could start to look like this a little bit. Just doing nothing. So it's typically what happens after you have a significant move up, like you saw, maybe a little bit sideways. CPI report may be good. I don't know. A lot of people think it's good. It's hard to really predict that.
They've always gone down. Now there's been pumps up before it, and like the price has like recovered after it before, but I'm pretty sure the CPI has always pretty much gone down. Like even if the people in the news think that like a smaller number report of how screwed we all are in this country is like bullish, it's not. It's and the markets always like actually in reality react bad to it. And so let me ask this. If you were me, if you were in my trade right now, right?
Yeah.
Are you staying in? Are you selling it all? Are you selling some? What are you doing? If you're me right now, what are you gonna do?
I'd probably take at least like 50%.
Boo, pussy.
Probably 60-70%, I would say, take out, and then try to add.
That
If
much,
we have a
huh?
pullback, I would try to add to it.
Okay, you're okay. All right.
Yeah, I mean, it's all about hedging the bets here. I mean, up 100 grand, I would take 100. I would take at least 60-70% out of that, just based on how things look, and then, I mean, you could always try to add more in if we come down a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
But the thing is, the funding rates are still pretty negative, so that would be the main case to come higher, more of a short squeeze. But I always, nobody ever went broke taking profits. I always like to take a little bit, at least.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. Mr. Junior, Casper Junior, are you there, brother?
Yo, I'm here, bro.
Yo, what did you order from Arby's?
I don't eat Arby's. I'm catering to Papa Casper.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Where did your father go wrong where you're scared of a good old American Arby's sandwich? You know what I'm saying?
I don't know, man.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Dude, you're looking shredded in the gym, bro, by the way. Like, you are the most naturally jacked dude I've ever seen.
Well, cool, man. I'm honored to hear you say that. That's always been my goal since I started working out, that Crypto Face would someday compliment me in that way.
So, I know you're kind of like out and about right now. And I don't know if you're able to like pull up a chart. You don't have to, but have you been peeping at your phone? Have you been I mean, you're a very active trader. This is Jason Casper. We just had Evan Aldo. Do you have any kind of thoughts maybe on what's going on this week, or what's on your mind?
Yeah, man, it's a weird week for me because I haven't really been trading much, but I have been looking at the charts a little bit, and I mean, just like Evan said, man, we're at local resistance, and the lower time frames are looking like we might get a little pullback here, but I still think we can come a little bit higher. That's just my inclination.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. I guess my same question is to you, and then I'll leave you be with your father. I don't know, what would you do if you were in my trade right now?
I would definitely take some profits, man. I mean, I'll be honest, I am pretty much in a very similar long trade, and I have a whole bunch of TPs that have already triggered between 17.4 and 17.6. I've still got them, so if we start to dump from here, I'm going to FOMO out.
Okay. I almost FOMO'd out last night. Last night things were looking a little grim. I even put out the message to my people in like the Discord. I was like, I don't know about this 18K thing. Like, and I thought the CPI numbers were actually going to come out today. And so, but I fell asleep luckily. And so, yeah. So, okay. All right. Well, Is there anything else either of you two wanted to share before we part ways?
I would say to everybody on the 4 hour for like all the stuff in general, once you see that money flow, and I learned this from Jason Casper, by the way, once you see that money flow coming out with the bearish div, that could be a good place to look for the top. Also, the 16-hour, the next red dot may give you what you need. Those usually high anchor waves on that 16-hour with the red dot confirmed usually gives you what you need. So what I would say, I was thinking about, what you should do, Crypto Face. And I think regardless of what happens, once you confirm that red dot in the 16-hour, that's probably the place to take profits.
16-hour, huh? Okay.
Yeah, with the split RSIs, if you look, it's usually once you get that higher anchor wave with the split RSIs, it gives you what you need most of the time. Could have to wait for a bearish div there.
You're talking about looking for a momentum crossing on the momentum wave on the 16-hour? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, it was printing the red dot yesterday. It didn't confirm.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm not seeing any red dots here, but it looked like it had like
it's about to. The VWAP is curving down. It's about to.
Slightly, yeah. Okay. All right.
I wanted to ask you, what do you think of the 3-week about to go into the red? Do you think that's bearish, good, bad?
Oh man, you're looking at all kinds of crazy stuff. The 2-week is like kind of right there. The VWAP's fighting it. These higher time frames, man, let's look. The 3-week, bro.
Yeah, it's never been in the red before. I was curious
It's close. It's close. We got a big old fatty momentum, big booty, as Jason would say, kind of coming down here. I don't know, bro. I don't know. We've never really been there before. RSIs are kind of splitting apart, coming down here too. I feel like we're probably like this. I don't know, dude. I don't know. We do the DBSI is looking pretty good on the 17 on the bull side, -1 on the bear on standard candles. It's got a nice doji candle on Heiken Ashies. I don't know, man. We might have a little, like I said, just a little, could be a tiny move up. And if it is something, maybe we end up dumping later in the year. I don't know. I guess I kind of feel like this year is probably just going to be mostly sideways action. So, or sideways or down. I don't have a clue. I'm not really, I don't know. It's a terrible answer to your question.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, man. I just wanted to, that's why I asked you, because I didn't know.
Fair enough. Jason, you got anything else to say before you leave? I don't know if you're still here.
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm thinking that if we can't reclaim 18K, then we'll probably see 13.8, which is the 2019 high. That because it would make like a funky head and shoulders type thing with the target right down there. And the one thing I don't like about this bottom is that we didn't stop anywhere significant.
Yeah, on like the previous Amigo sombreros, we didn't stop. I mean, we temporarily stopped at the 20K, but we busted down through that. And then, so you're right, that next top would be the 13.9, 14, and that's not even like, there's a couple candles there, even that's like not even that strong, but there's okay, I'm digging it. I dig it. God, momentum is so low down here, and thick, it's actually like thicker than it's ever been before. This is like the longest time we've gone down before, which makes sense because like as time goes by and there's more people in the space, like things are going to take longer to play out. So right on, man. Well, I thank you guys for both your input, and I hope y'all have a good rest of your night, and shout out to Papa Casper.
Yeah, thanks so much, Crypto Face. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you, Face, man.
Thank you. All right. God bless y'all. Have a good one.
God bless, man. Peace.
Peace.
Bye.
Okay. Well, I don't know, guys. They're saying to take profit, They're saying to take profit. Yeah, maybe we can scale out, try to limit out a little bit. Or just market it. I might just market close some. Let's see if I can limit any. If I start holding down the market, then let's try this. Oops.
Staying out for days on end.
Now we're gonna have to play this game where we tippy toe. We're gonna have to tippy toe. Get a little liquidity on the bottom.
People say you can't do this, you can't do that, and I eventually done what I had to do, and just.
Surely it will not go below this point, and it will come back up and start eating our orders. Surely. Surely it will hold right here. Come on. Come on. This is the one right here. Surely it's coming back up right now. It's going to take this order. 100%. In the bag. Consider it done. Oh. Yeep. Come on. Get along there, little loggy. Get along there, little loggy. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, no. No. Come on. Yep. Yo. No. Oh, oh. Oh, come on. This is it. This is it. Nope. Nope. Oh. Oh. Okay, we're gonna make this our bitch. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Did I post only? Post only. Really? 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 Really?
I tried to start 69 darkness.
All right, here it is. First one's coming in. We're coming in hot. It's oh my god! Oh my god!
I tried to start 69 darkness.
Yeah, I yeah, I'm gonna close a little. A little more. Okay. All right. Other than that, folks, it's been a good stream. And I'll see you on the next go around. Thanks for sticking around. We'll see what happens next. Other than that, hope y'all have a good rest of your day. Yippee-yo, Kaye. Peace.